Yeah. Go on, youth, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, youth, yeah, star. Only pop pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. No need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me, know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Alright, so we all know that Spice broke the internet with her pregnancy announcement and post the picture on Instagram, and that picture now well over 200,000 likes, you see me, and over 21,000 comments of people just showing and pouring out love and congrats to Spice, rightfully so. And we have dancehall artist, Shade Room, international artist, Love and Hip Hop, everybody are react to Spice right now, so I have this for sure now. Alright, so the Shade Room post and say, Spice, she's expecting a new baby, and you know the Shade Room is big on Instagram. Everybody, once you met the Shade Room, you're gone viral, you see me, and once you met the Shade Room, you're important. So the Shade Room show some love over to Spice page and make Spice know, say, yo, we see Wagwan mama, we see Wagwan, we see the pregnancy, you see me, so big up Spice. And then you have Spiceofficial, and we not all know how important Sparky is in Jamaican music industry, you see me. And then we have many other blue tick people, but we only go focus on the Jamaican one and the international one that we are familiar with. So we have Lisa Mercedes and London Hill, and we all know Lisa Mercedes was featured on the Skeng song with Nicki Minaj, and London Hill was also featured on that song, Skeng Lickle Miss song, you see me. So we have them two there, show Spice love because they were featured on the song together. So Busta Rhymes also react to Spice, and we all know Busta Rhymes is a top industry player, and Busta Rhymes is friends with VybzKartel, you see me, the king of dancehall, and Spice the queen, so Busta Rhymes are friends with royalties. Anyways, so Jada Kingdom also chime in, and Jada Kingdom post Spice in her story and say, I gaps, God is good, you see me, because as we know, and as Jada Kingdom know, and as everyone supposed to know, say Spice did go through what she got through while she was pregnant, you see me. So big up to Spice for pull through like the way how she pulled through. And we have Nicki Minaj who had Spice on the song with Skeng. So big up Nicki Minaj. She also chime in, and Nicki Minaj say, yo, congratulations mama. And we have Love and Hip Hop, and Love and Hip Hop is the show that Spice was on, you see me, and them also come in and make Spice know, say, yo, we there, I support you, and congratulations on your baby. And Winnie also chime in, you know, Winnie a Jamaican, and she is a top international world class Victoria's Secret model, and she come in and she say, yo, congrats to Spice. And we have Quiet Perry, you know, Quiet Perry, Jamaican influencer, Jamaican public figure, you can say that, you see me, him chime in and him say congrats on the it actually congrats on the rebirth. Jaja know. Yeah. That funny, but it might big up Spice nonetheless. Congrats to Spice, you see me. Yeah, we not stay too long and waste nobody time. We just want to make the people know say Spice break the internet for now, and Spice have the attention, and everybody have put them attention over to Spice and show love and support, and we're all glad say Spice is having a healthy baby despite everything that she went through for the past months, you see me. So big up to Spice. Every time the queen of dancehall, we want to see Spice come back out and start perform some tune and dash out. Yeah, big up Spice. If you make it to the end of this video, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the comments, thanks for the views. As always, I'm out.